Welcome to this BentoBox-DS demonstration of using the demonstration data. So when you download and install the toolkit for the first time, there's no data in it at all. So if you want some data to play around with, you follow the following steps. You can switch on your AI, connect, launch, and you'll see when you click the list button, you'll get this demo. If you want to play along with this video, but there's also the help built in, and we click on demo data, hopefully you'll go through the same steps, which will end up displaying a day's worth of data. So you click on get the demo data, you'll be presented with this list. You click on the preview. There is only one option, but you click on the data source, which is Bitcoin. We can just ignore these for the demo data's purposes, but we do need to set the date to the 1st of January 2017, and then we want to select what's on the Y column, and there's no categorization. We can join. Now we go back to our list. We can click on the view button, and then we have the chart, and then with a bigger data set you can select dates, overlay many days in one nominal 24-hour period, and then the ability to go back and set the defaults. So demo data, if you need help, there's the help button, demo data, or watch this video again. Thanks.